YouTube. It's me again. Just playing with the lathe. Picking up the tools. I'm just playing around with it. Just cutting a couple of thousand at a time off. Anyway, that works pretty good. See, I don't know if you can see this, but I was just messing around with it, putzing around. I'm gonna try another. So anyway, that good thing about this is I just plop the tool out right up here and check the next one. Of course, it's not adjusted properly, but. So yeah, it needs a little height adjustment. I'm not an expert in these things, so don't. So go, feel free and make fun of me. Do what you gotta do. I have no. Let's see if I can center this thing. Of course, I need to go down somewhere. Let's see. Down a little more. A little more. Yeah, there's probably a better way of doing this, but using the old-fashioned eyeballs seems to work okay with me. Let's see. Turn this down here. Come on, you schmuck. There we go. Anyway, that's right there. Tighten that up a little right there. Don't move. Lock it in place. Oops. Let's see if we can chop a little off here. And I'm sure one of you can tell me how to do this because I'm not expert. This thing is a little engagement lid, so can't use it without this lid. Mind you, I think the fucking lid's gonna. There we go. That's better. There we go. Yeah, I know. I need coolant. But I left it over there, so. Oh, look at that. Faced off pretty good. Probably shouldn't leave my hands on here either. But anyway. Whole lot of shit I'm doing wrong. What? Yeah.